DaVinci Resolve auto captions suck.
Oh, DD, oh, what?
Yes, DaVinci Resolve does have an auto caption system, and from what I can tell, it's very accurate. However, it's very limited in what you can do as far as animating those captions. If you're in the free version of DaVinci Resolve, you don't even have access to the auto caption system. Right from the edit page, if you go up to timeline and select create subtitles from audio, DaVinci Resolve then will go through and create auto captions. However, you are extremely limited on what you can customize and change as far as the auto captions are concerned. Now, you can spend hours creating auto captions like this, or you can let Submagic work its magic.
Brother, this guy stinks!
Now, to get started for free, click the link in the description down below. If you're having to upgrade to one of their paid plans, use code MIXED at checkout for 10% off. With Submagic, you export your videos like normal, upload it to their site, and let them do all the work for you. You can upload short form video or long form video. The upload time will depend upon the length of the video and, of course, your internet connection. Once your video is uploaded, you can then go through and choose your style of captions. You can watch the captions upload in real time, as well as choose captions you've seen in other viral videos. Once you've selected your style, you can then go through and select the colors that fit your video. Submagic does more than just caption your videos. You get access to B-roll footage from story blocks. You can use Submagic's AI system to allow it to pull in B-roll footage from story blocks, or you can do it yourself. By clicking on B-roll magic, you can then select the percentage of B-roll footage you want in your video. If you're looking to start our Faces YouTube channel, this would be a good way to get started and let it just siphon through the B-roll footage for you. If the AI doesn't find B-roll footage that you're fond of, you can of course go through and use the search engine to find B-roll yourself. Submagic also has a few effects like zoom in and zoom out and transitions. Submagic boasts like 98% accuracy. However, if it does mess up, you can go through and edit the auto captions yourself. Once you're done with your video, you can then export and upload to YouTube or whatever platform of your choice. You can also export the SRT file for closed caption for YouTube and other platforms as well. And once again, to get started for free, click the link in the description. If you decide to upgrade to one of their paid plans, use code MIXED at checkout to get 10% off.